Hello.
Hello.
So today we are making Chinese dinner. And I'm washing my rice.
So, I never did any of this before you. I didn't wash rice, I didn't soak it.
I'm not exactly sure about soaking though. We do that with Japanese rice.
So that's our, how do you say? Sojushi.
Zojirushi.
Zojushi.
Rice
Rice maker, which I love.
Now I'm cutting garlic for stir-fry greens.
Right, so we have steamed rice or white rice. We have garlic, what do you call it? Chinese broccoli.
No,
Yeah.
no. We do use broccoli.
Oh, we didn't use a Chinese
Yeah,
broccoli.
because we also use broccoli.
Right, so because we have broccoli in the chicken.
Yeah, so.
She just
Use bok choy.
bok choy is good. It was really good, actually. Very garlicky.
Yeah.
You'll see. For those of you watching, all 12 of you.
And spinach.
All right. You can see my head in the back. I'm watching a football game or something. That's kind of funny. I didn't know I was in the video.
And
Oh, this is me. Because you can tell by my hairier arms.
so now we are moving for prepping the
Yeah.
Szechuan-style.
Chicken. So the origin of this is actually like General Tso's chicken or something like that. I've been making it for decades. Let me just tell anybody out there this is not authentic. For instance, I've been in China, been in Chinese kitchens. They don't add vegetables really, maybe a few peppers to their meat dishes. Everything's separate. But I don't do that. So I mix stuff together. And what I'm doing now is just seasoning the chicken for like 30 minutes. That's 5-spice powder. That's how you get that authentic Chinese taste, if you use 5-spice powder. I didn't used to use it, and then I used it, and I'm like, oh, it actually makes a difference. Oh. Oops.
Fast forward and cut.
So here I'm grinding Szechuan peppercorns. I used to put them in whole, but two people in the family, I won't name them Yuka, picks them out, so I grind them now. And then these are all the things we're gonna make the sauce with. So again, traditionally in China, they would mix the sauce right in the wok, but look, I don't have 90,000 BTU stove. it's not hot enough. So I just mix it here, and then you'll see we add it all at once at the end. And I kind of made this up. It was probably based on a recipe at some point. I've lessened the amount of soy, I've increased the amount of rice wine. Normally I use chili and black bean. But this time we had black pepper sauce, which is also very good for pepper beef if you like that. And you can substitute red wine vinegar or white vinegar.
Lingua.
Langua's waiting for her portion.
Got her
And in Chinese cooking, there's a balance between salty, sweet, right, bitter. So that's why you always add a little sugar and salt
And vinegar.
and vinegar. So you have all those different tastes. Sour, that's the other one. Sour, sweet, salty, and bitter.
Maybe I'll switch these so you can see everything nicely in the video.
One of these broccolis, which was the fresher one, was kind of a little rotten inside, so we had to cut out the stem. Again, you could usually do this after you cut it. You can just saute it in the wok, but again, the wok's not hot enough. It takes too long and inconsistent, so you'll see I'll blanch the broccoli, which maintains the quality over time when you cook it and the color. You don't lose any nutrients really. It's a minute, so the broccoli is still crunchy, but you get nice color. Here I'm chopping the stems. Don't throw the stems out. They're so useful. They're so tasty. Yuka actually prefers those.
Sweeter.
Oh, here's a tip. Tell them about your ginger.
I buy cheap ginger and cut and freeze so that I can use at any time.
So we actually had fresh ginger, but I just wanted to use that. So she cuts it into little matchsticks and then freezes them in little individual packs. So we always have fresh ginger ready to go. And the quality for things like this is exactly the same. There's really no difference.
And you can use any vegetable in the fridge, right? It's pretty much a fridge cleaning dish.
Oh, why am I pounding the scallion? I don't know. I took a class with my friend Levin at the CIA, and we took Chinese cooking, and she always talked about smashing the scallion to release the flavor. Yeah, so I do
CIA?
that. Oh, Culinary Institute of America, not the not the International Spy Agency. Look at my knife skills. I'm so fast. That's not sped up at all.
It's only
two cuts and you're done. Exactly the same as the purchased ones, and I feel like they're better.
You don't need to buy the pre-cut ones, which
And
probably
now,
is crunchy. Yeah, that's it.
And now I'm blanching.
You can't hear it, but we're telling Alexa 1 minute. And now I'm searching
Alexa,
for
set the
chopstick.
timer for
We have
1
cooking chopstick. I need to push the broccoli down. Get down. And you see you get that nice color, and then you blanch it for really less than a minute, and then boop, we'll run cold water over it, stop the cooking, and let it drain so you're not putting a lot of water in your wok, which is bad. Did you see that broccoli? It jumped out and jumped back in.
And now I'm waiting for rice to be cooked so that everything will be ready at the same time. So I thought I would throw a lingua video there. So cute. I love my cat.
She's a furball. So make sure your wok's hot before you put the oil in, because it opens up the pores of the wok so the oil will get into it and won't stick. If this was a real Chinese kitchen, that would be way hotter. So this is my way of not adding a lot of fat, right? So it's kind of like frying, but then it's probably 100% cooked, but barely. Maybe some of the pieces aren't. And then I put it on paper towel and drain it. And now we added our ginger and chili peppers. There's 4 kinds of peppers in this. I forgot, we have like nice Korean peppers which aren't too hot. I forgot them. So it'll look like I purposefully added them after. Here they come. But I actually just cut this.
Plenty of time.
And it's always nice to have nice colors. So we have, you know, the carrots, the corn, and the broccoli make nice color, along with the chicken and the chilies. Now again, the wok's not that hot. This is not really authentic. To get it to a boil, that's when the sauce will thicken from the rice. Oh, we could have added the peanuts a little sooner.
That's good.
Yeah. And a little garnish and extra flavor.
And you can add those garnishes really very end.
Yeah. I didn't know about this either. Like when the rice is done, you have to like fluff it. Fluff it.
Okay. You're missing something?
Now I'm finishing up my stir fry greens because it only takes a few minutes. I have spinach and bok choy.
So you could put them in at the same time. Uh-oh. You dropped one. Get it. Watch your hand.
And I think you want to add garlic later so that it wouldn't get burnt.
Oh, so you didn't put it in first, otherwise it's going to get all brown.
Right.
Which is a different dish.
Right.
Crispy garlic.
You add a little bit of salt than you think you would need because it's the pretty much only flavor that you get.
Can you use other wine, or would you add soy, or?
It does, well, like original recipe doesn't really call for wine, but I just thought it would give a little bit of depth.
And did you use oil?
Yeah.
But you could add like
Soy sauce.
soy or chili peppers or whatever, chili flakes, whatever you want, right? But it's nice. Oh, you look like you were running. Oh no!
Yeah, just fast forward.
Did you notice Yuka's pajama pants? It was Sunday.
And our dinner.
It was really good. It came out really good. A lot of Szechuan peppercorn, so very tingly.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment.